my preference whether I would want to go and continue watching movies how I was watching before the lockdown, I would say probably not. Welcome to a new vlog. This is Nishma from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. Today I have come up with a new vlog slash video for you guys, which is my experience of going to watch a movie in the cinemas for the first time after the lockdown. So today is a Sunday and I just came back from the movies and I had gone to watch Ruhi, which has Janhvi Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao. And yeah, it was a good experience, but I want to break down the details for you guys. So if you guys are thinking whether you want to go and watch a movie in the cinemas, you will know exactly what to expect. So let's get started with this video. Here are a few clips for you guys from my movie experience. I've come to Park Square Mall today to watch a movie, and this is the first time that I'm going to watch a movie after the lockdown. So we have come to watch Ruhi. I have come with my flatmate and her family. So the show is at 3:40 in a few minutes, and I'm just gonna go and share this experience with you guys. So stay tuned and let's go. I went to watch this movie with my flatmate and her family, and we went to Park Square Mall in Whitefield, which is quite close to where I live, and we went ahead and took the classic option for the movie ticket, which cost us 180 rupees per ticket, and we booked it through Paytm. So those were the details. The movie itself was okay. Now let me talk about my experience while going and watching the movie itself. So as usual, there was like pre-booking and all of that, and they checked us, they checked our temperature, they made sure we were wearing masks, we sanitized before entering the cinema hall, of course. And then I thought that maybe there would be one seat gap between each person sitting, but that is not how it was. It was just like how we normally sit for the movies. But yes, today in the show that I went, there was only like 1/4 of the full cinema was occupied, even though the movie has just released. So I think people are still considering whether they should go actually to the cinema or not. So that was okay, but because everyone was just sitting together, so there was no like social distancing as such. There were 2 intermission breaks. So as per the government guidelines, there need to be 2 intermissions after like movie cinemas have opened after the lockdown. So there were 2 intermissions, and yeah, that was pretty much about it. Otherwise the experience was normal. People were eating food. I also got popcorn, and I think so obviously when you eat like something, so you will have to take down your mask, and since they are serving like popcorn and other snacks in the cinema, so I think obviously anyone who has snacks during watching the movie would be having that and would be removing their masks. Also, some of the staff were not actually wearing their mask on the whole time. It was like down below their nose, but since I was also eating, I cannot actually blame or point fingers at anyone for that matter. So that was about that. Now if you ask my preference whether I would want to go and continue watching movies how I was watching before the lockdown, I would say probably not, because like the movie ticket is 180 rupees. This is just because it has started, I think, but it's gonna pick up, like the price is gonna pick up probably, and I can get a better experience like without wearing mask, without any kind of restrictions at home, or like watch on my own time, not have to like actually take the transport to go to the cinema hall and all of that. So I think it's gonna take a long time for the movie business to actually pick up again. But yeah, especially because Netflix and all the OTT platforms have doubled down on their strategy. So that is one thing. I think I personally would prefer continue watching movies at home rather than going to the cinema. One is because of the price point, and second is because it just provides a more customized like setting where I can do what I want, wear what I want, and not have to follow rules. So that was about it. And I really love watching movies, especially Bollywood movies. But I don't like brainless comedies like Coolie Number One or like Salman Khan movies and stuff like that. But other than that, I pretty much enjoy watching movies. And there was a time when I, got that Paytm coupon offer thing where I went ahead and watched one movie in the cinema every week for a whole month. So they had this offer like back in 2019. So that is how crazy I am about movies. But I think now for the foreseeable future, I would not be going to cinemas unless it's like going with the whole family or some special occasion, because I think other than that, I'm pretty much very comfortable and happy watching at home. So yeah, that's about it. Have you guys gone to the cinema since after the lockdown? Tell me in the comments below, and what was your experience? I would love to know. What was the movie which you saw, and did you like it or not? And share this video with your friends or family if they are planning to go and watch a movie at the cinema, so then they can get an experience of what to expect. Until next time, this is bye bye. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share it with your friends, and also follow me on Instagram at Time Traveling Shutterbug, because I create a lot of content over there which I'm sure you guys would enjoy. Until next time, this is bye bye and take care from me, Nishma, from the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. Bye bye.